With ArcSite, once you have your PDF imported and calibrated, what you're going to do is select whatever you're auditing from the products menu on the right. That's going to be above the select bar on the right side toolbar. Once you have that menu open, you're going to select the object that you are auditing. In this case, you can see we have a bunch of different lights actually selected here. Just select whatever you want to place over the floor plan and then drag it into position. Once you've dragged one to position, you're typically going to find for lights anyway that there are going to be multiple instances of the same light in every single room. So you can use the duplicate button at the bottom of the light or object that is selected and just clone it as many times as you need to represent where that light is located. Now, let's say you have multiple instances of an object, one right after the other. An example might be a light pole in front of a parking lot. What you would do is you would go ahead and select that light pole from the menu. In this case, we'll use the 1x4 sequence to help represent that. Drag the first one into position, and then go to the Array tool in Edit, select that object, and then select the number of instances you want to represent in terms of the quantity modifier. So I could do for example, 1 times going down and 1 times going to the side, and then just drag, and it'll create multiple instances of that light pole a set space from each other. That's useful if you have them, for example, like 18 feet away from each other, all in a row. You can just draw as many as you need to just by swiping your hand across the screen. Once you've completed your audit, all you have to do is go to Takeoff and Estimate, and you're going to see a full sequence here of actually what was represented visually on top of that blueprint. Once you have this information, you can export it in an Excel sheet, or if you would like, you can also export it out as a PNG or PDF.